Hi everybody and welcome back. Second day in Gran Canaria, as you see behind me. Amazing, unbelievable, what a place as well. So beautiful. We're gonna start with what before here. We're gonna cast for an hour here from land. It's 10 o'clock in the morning now. A little bit of shade here still to my left and right, so I'm gonna give it a go here in those bays. And later on, after we organized our food and everything for the day, we get the kayaks from the roof and we go all the way up into this water with the kayaks to see if we can find the big babies. So I hope we can entertain you today, getting some nice mamacitas on the hook and enjoying together with the fishing brigade in Gran Canaria in sweetwater Presas fishing. Here we go. First bass on. Yay! First bass on. Finally! And then the first one, not too bad either. Yee! Here we go. Here we go, folks. On the cranky, who didn't disappoint us yesterday either. Double hooked, good hooked. Yeah. Since we're gonna release them, I just don't want to hurt his skin. This is why I always recommend to everybody use gloves. I know the most of you guys not, but I'm really into that. Super perfectly hooked here in the lip, just in front. No damage on this fish. And one hook here as well, super easy. And here we go, bros. Yay! Our first bass. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nice, beautiful fish. Yeah. Let this boy swim. Here he goes. Beautiful. Okay, Brigaders, as you see, not too shabby up here in the mountains in Gran Canaria after the first morning session, which we just got this one fish that I could present you. Now, as you see, we're getting our food, we're getting power for our arms, kayaks are almost ready, so we're gonna enjoy here our nice little break, get some power, eat the stuff, and hitting the water. So hopefully then we're gonna have some big mamas for you guys to be able to present. Okay, we finally made it. We are ready to hit the water. It's a lot of equipment to carry around for such a short trip. So hopefully we have everything ready, because then when you're on a kayak it's more difficult to go for it, to look for it. I mean, I'm sorry, not going for it. And look at this. This is where we're gonna hit the water now. So there they are, our beauties. Ready to go. Ready to hit the water. Just getting all the fishing equipment on and go for it. Okay, Brigaders, finally on the water in the kayak. Epic. What else to say? So I'm gonna try it first now with an offset hook, just with a finesse rig, but without any weight, just by his own weight. Casting here, which you see out of this camera here in front of the wall here. There we go. Fish on, and a better one. Nice. Nice. He's not good hooked. Nice fish. Nice fish, folks. Yeah, man. Finally we're there. There you go, folks. Now we're getting there. Okay, folks, you can see here full of fishes under me. I don't know which type it is because it just shows me that, but at least we know the fishes are still here. So let's try to get another one of those black beauties. There we go. Next one on. Small one, tiny one, but fish on. Tiny little fella again. But still fish is fish. You see, guys? Woo! Now we're catching finally. We're getting there. Nice, cute little fella. Okay, a little bit of chaos here because I didn't want to go too close to the small little bait to not scare them, spook them away. And yeah, that's how it goes. See if I can get another one. No, I think we spooked them away. Alright, folks, and as always, when the camera have no batteries anymore, at least we got one. Well, small one, tiny one, but at least we got one. And yeah, I had to come back with him, with me, to get a battery to be able to present you guys this little feller. It's nice coloration, and well, I think average size more or less of what we're having here in his waters. So we're gonna let it swim, this little feller, again, and hope that we can catch another one. Just to show you a little bit around where we are fishing actually right now. Look at that, how beautiful with this pond right here. Here's the end of the lake. Look up there, amazing. Wow, so cool. It's a birth cave over there. Marcus is all on the other way, over there. And I am here in this beautiful place. Wow. Look at this. Little trees there on top. Woo! Nice. There we go. Here is activity everywhere. Marcus is here on the side, casting for his life. Here's just no fun. There we go. Fish on, and a better one. Nice. Nice. He's not good. No, he's not good hooked. Nice fish. Nice fish, folks. Yeah, man. Finally we're there. There you go, folks. Now we're getting there. Gets a bit better in size. Yee-hoo. Nice fish.
Super.
Black bass, baby. Black bass, baby.
Oh, wait. Hook.
Here we go, folks. He is our black beauty. Yeah! Perfect. Nice. Good shot, bro. Nice fish. This size is getting better now.
Super.
Now we're talking about. All right. Here we go again.
Jumping like flipper.
Like a flipper, yeah, man. The jumping jack.
Flash.
And folks, believe it or not, on this is the weapon. This is the who catched all the fishes of today, actually, apart from then this morning. But this is the magic lure. Unbelievable. All the rest ones that I have high tech and everything, and just here black metal with some yellow points on. Unbelievable. Sometimes how fishing can be. Okay, guys, it was a really lovely day in this place. What you saw before here, where I am still in the water. So, but I'm gonna hit home now because in about 20 minutes, and I am on the completely end. If you see behind me here of the lake, and I have to paddle back home because in about 20 minutes there's not gonna be light anymore. So I'm heading home. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this episode of Fishing Brigade with Reini in Gran Canaria for black bass fishing. I definitely did. It was an absolutely stunning day. Amazing. A little bit of, well, hustle until finally we found the rhythm and the weapon, and I cannot say it over and over again. It is ridiculous. This was the lure, the game changer today. Just a piece of metal with, in black, with three yellow dots on. It's absolutely incredible. Yeah, but this is how it goes. All those high-tech material what I have here, and this the simplest one that I have. This was which brought, apart from this morning, the only fish. No, all the fishes, apart from this in the morning, which was another one, and crankbait. Yes, what should I say? I'm super stoked. I'm super happy. Thank you guys very much for watching again. Fishing Brigade with me, Reini, here from this absolutely stunning place. And yeah, hope you liked the video. Subscribe and share it if so, and press definitely the bell so you're not missing any coming up video from me or from the Fishing Brigade anymore. And yeah, well, nothing else to say anymore. I'm heading back home there because again it's gonna be very quick dark, and yeah, don't want to arrive there when it's gonna be dark already because I have to change and all this. Gran Canaria is out. I'm gonna paddle home now. Marcus hopefully, as a good compañero, hopefully made some food for us already, some barbecue or whatsoever, so we can eat again nice. And yeah, I'm paddling home. I'm out of here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, anything, just leave it down in the comments below. I would be super stoked and happy. And see you definitely next time in another new episode. Who knows with which type of adventures, which part of the world we are gonna fish, or which type of fishes we're gonna fish, but definitely is we gonna fish. Thank you very much. I'm Rani and I'm out of here.